Hey you guys, I'm back with another video today, and today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to show you hairstyles that would go with caps, hats or anything of that sort. You can even do the hairstyles without these, but they will look way more chic if you use the caps. Anyway, let's just begin. Do like my video, do leave your feedback, and please do subscribe to my channel. Let's start. So style number 1 would include 2 fishtail braids, and it is going to be really easy and super chic. You will see. If you're a hat lover, then this style is for you. Take a small section of your hair and just separate it from the rest of your hair. Now split your hair into 2 sections like I did. Let's say we have upper section and lower section. Take a strand of your lower section and pass it over and merge it with the upper section. Now take a strand from your upper section and merge it with the lower section. Now again, take a strand from your lower section and merge it with the upper section. Now take a strand from your upper section and merge it with the lower section. This is basically how you do a fishtail braid. You have 2 sections of your hair. You take a strand from each section of your hair, you pass it over the other section and just merge it. Again, take a strand from your lower section and pass it over and merge it with the upper section. Take a strand from your upper section, pass it over and merge it with the lower section. And that is it. You have to continue this till your braid is complete. Now take the section of your hair that you separated earlier and make a simple 3-strand braid. Secure it in the same band that you secured your fishtail braid in. Now just pin the braid randomly with 3 to 4 pins to fix it with the fishtail braid, and you will see how it looks. And it's done! This hairstyle and this purple cap is my favorite. Do let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section below. Now for second hairstyle, we'll be doing a French braid, and you will see how. Separate a section of your hair just like I'm doing. This is the section of your hair on which you will be working in the beginning. Now take a small section of your hair and split it into 3 strands. We know that for French braid we need 3 strands. Let's say we have upper strand, middle strand and lower strand. Upper strand being the one near the forehead. Pass the upper strand over the middle strand and then pass the lower strand over the middle strand. Now add hair to your upper strand and pass it over the middle strand. Now add hair to your lower strand and pass it over the middle strand. Remember to pass over the middle strand, like above the middle strand and not below. Again, add hair to your upper strand and pass it over the middle strand. Add hair to your lower strand and pass it over the middle strand, and you'll just have to keep doing that till this section of your hair is complete. Add hair to your lower strand and pass it over the middle strand. Now add hair to upper strand and pass it over the middle strand. well, keep on doing that. Once this section of our hair is complete, we will work with the rest of our hair and we'll do the same. I'm going to continue the French braid till the end of my hair. So add hair to your lower strand and pass it over the middle strand. Add hair to your lower strand and pass it over the middle strand. Again, add hair to your lower strand from the back of your head and pass it over the middle strand. Add hair to your lower strand and pass it over the middle strand, and continue that till the end of your hair and your braid will be complete. This hairstyle may seem a little tricky or difficult, but seriously it's not. If you know how to do a simple French braid, you can easily do this. So guys, that was it for today's video. I have to tell you that this is one of my favorite hairstyle videos and it required a lot of effort, but I loved how it turned out. I am hoping that you will love it too. Please do let me know which one was your favorite hairstyle, and do like the video and do subscribe to my channel. Your feedback, your love and your support means the world to me. Well, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, goodbye.